In this video, I will be showing you how to create a new profile on YouTube Kids. Let's get started. First, I open up a new browser tab and head over to the address bar. I type in YouTube Kids and press enter to search for it. Once the search results load, I click on the top link for YouTube Kids to open the website. On the setup screen, I click the I'm a Parent button. On the welcome page, I hit Next to proceed. Now, it asks for age verification, so I type in my birth year, 2002, and click Submit. Next, I click Next on the informational screen to continue. It prompts me to sign in with a parent account, so I select Sign In at the bottom right. Once signed in, I see the parent featured tour screen and click Done. Now, I can see the existing profile. To add a new one, I click Add another profile. A pop-up asks to verify my account password, so I click OK, and it redirects me to the Google sign-in page. Here, I type in my password and click Next. After verifying, I reach the Create a Profile page. I click on the first name field and type in Jersey. Next, I click on the age field and type in 1. Then, I click on the birth month drop-down menu and select June from the list. With all details filled out, I click Next. On the content settings page, I choose Preschool for ages 4 and under, then click Select to confirm. Next, I am asked about search settings, and I click Turn Search Off. The new profile is created. I click Next to proceed, and on the parent featured tour screen, I click Done. Finally, on the profile selection page, I click on the newly created profile, Jersey, and it takes me straight to the YouTube Kids homepage. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.